Okay, talking about pressure tanks. How to get water from your well to your house. Power comes into the switch, turns power on and off to your pump. The electrical signal keeps going to your pressure switch. The pressure switch knows how much pressure is in your tank. Normally they're set at 30 pounds to 50 pounds or 40 to 60. As you draw water out of your tank, the pressure goes down. You'll see it on your pressure gauge here. Once it hits 30, this pressure switch will send the signal through this wire to tell the pump to turn on. So the electrical signal comes from the pressure switch to this motor control switch that has to be coordinated with the size of the pump. If you replace one, replace the other. Signal follows the wire, goes underground into the well to the pump. Pump pumps the water up and comes back into this pipe back to the pressure tank. As the water comes in from the pump, makes it to the tank T. As you can see, water can go into the tank or out to the rest of the house. As water fills the tank, water level goes up and it compresses the air inside the tank, which is why your pressure goes from 30 to 50. Once it hits 50, the pressure switch will know and it'll stop the pump. While you're drawing water out of the tank, your pump is not running. It's the pressure from the air that pushes the water throughout your house. So once the pressure gets back down to 30, the pressure switch will send a signal, start the pump again. Without a pressure tank, your pump will run on, off, non-stop. It'll burn your pump. Your pressure tank is probably as important as your well pump. Every pressure tank has a little air admittance valve that you can connect a compressor to increase the pressure inside your tank. The most important thing is when your tank is dry, the air pressure in your tank has to be 2 psi lower than the pressure that your switch will turn on the pump. If it's set for 30, the pressure in your tank has to be 28. If you're living in a rural area with a well and all of a sudden you have no pressure, it's probably a really simple fix. Check your pressure gauge. This little pressure gauge is probably going to say 0. If it does, this is your pressure switch that gives a signal to your pump to start. You probably just need to take the little switch and lift it up with a little bit of pressure. You'll feel the pump start. Keep it there for a few seconds. Once your pressure hits about 10 or 15 psi, your pump's going to keep running by itself. Let it go, and your tank's going to fill back up. And that'll save you a plumber call. If you like this content, hit the like button and follow, and stay tuned for the next video.